A19A.
D, D, D. T, T, T.
A19B.
D, D, D.
A19C.
Town, down, town. They, day, they. Page, paid, page. Wrote, road, wrote.
A19D.
Dog, dead. Dream, address. Advice, sudden. Third, food. Mind. David's daughter didn't dance, but David's dad did.
A20A.
T, T, T.
A20B.
Die, tie, die. Hard, heart, hard. 3, tree, 3. Each, eat, each.
A20C.
Talk. Thomas. Train. 12. Butter. Until. Hated. Night. Worked. West. Betty bought a bit of butter.
A21.
There was a young lady called Kate who always got out of bed late. The first thing she said when she lifted her head was, "I thought it was better to wait."
There was a young waiter called Dwight who didn't like being polite. If you asked him for food, he was terribly rude and invited you out for a fight.
A22A.
Build, built. Wide, white. Wade, wait. Herd, hurt. Down, town. Dry, try. Send, sent.
A22B. Example.
Last year, Tom weighed more than Sam, but now they both have the same weight.
1.
It wasn't built in a day. It takes ages to build a cathedral like that.
2.
When you're out in the mountains, you have to try to stay dry.
3.
He sent it to the wrong address, so he had to send another copy.
4.
It hurt my ears when I heard that noise.
5.
The white sofa is too wide to go through that door.
6.
We went down the hill and into the town.
A23. 1.
Wider or whiter.
Choose Dento Cream for a whiter smile.
2.
Dry or try.
You have to dry it out.
3.
Breeding or breathing.
These animals aren't breeding.
4.
Thought or taught.
She taught for a long time.
5.
Aid or age.
For us, aid is not important.
6.
What or watch.
Watch a game.